Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we are here to talk about Shiba Inu. We're going to be doing a Shiba Inu update today, breaking it down from a technical analysis perspective, looking at where this asset has been, what is going to happen to it, and what we think the sort of price prediction could be coming into this very interesting election here over in the US. Okay, so that's how the video is going to be structured. If you could drop a little like on it, that'd be amazing. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Shiba Inu. I'm very intrigued to see whether you've bought or sold, traded this, or had any experience with Shiba Inu at all in the past. Okay, so let's just start off with this and let's break down Shiba Inu from a live market perspective. Now, Shiba Inu is currently 12th in the cryptocurrency race right now, and out of all the other altcoins, it's doing pretty well, I must say. Even considering the fact that it is a meme coin here, the second most valued meme coin in the world. Okay, currently priced at around a $10.4 billion market cap there, and it has done around 3.71% here over the last day or so, which to me is quite surprising considering we are coming into the election, and whoever really wins the election is sort of going to determine the direction of crypto here. But I think whoever wins the election, it will basically crash no matter what. Okay, it's going to be a sell the news event in my opinion, but we will get into that very, very shortly. Okay, so currently priced at around $10 and $10.4 billion, and over the last day you can see it has been doing quite a nice uptrend before previously setting this low. Okay, over the last 7 days it is actually on a decline. Okay, it's down around 5.57%, which is interesting. Okay, and we will go into the chart very, very quickly, but this is interesting because it's actually been declining for a significant amount of time here, as you can see. Quite bearish overall. Now, if we look at the monthly, it's not much better. You can see back here in well, the end of August here, we were a lot higher here in terms of price action. Sorry, the end of October here, we were a lot higher in terms of price action. It has just been on a pretty steady decline ever since. And in terms of a recovery, we're not really seeing that big of a recovery now in comparison to the price where it was before. Okay, so I think this is probably all due to the elections. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market. No one really knows which way it's all going to be going. It's going to be super volatile here, so we just need to be very, very cautious here, and that's why the price action here for Shiba Inu is probably lacking a bit here. Okay, now into the Shiba Inu chart, let's look at some price predictions and let's see where this asset could be going. Before we do that, guys, just want to talk to you quickly about Pepe Unchained. They are a project that's about to launch. They basically now have their own blockchain. Pepe now has its own blockchain where meme coins will be built. It's built as a layer 2 based protocol on Ethereum. Very bullish on this bad boy. You can see lower transaction fees, higher volume capacity. It's going to be 100 times faster than Ethereum, and it's also going to have its own dedicated blockchain explorer, like an Etherscan or a Sol scan, where you can go into the wallets and you can look at sort of blockchain forensics and stuff like that, right? You can see they're in a pre-sale and they've raised $24.7 million so far, so it's not a small project, guys. If you guys do want to get involved with this, you can. The links are in the description, and you can see you can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, Card, or even BNB there as well. Okay, so I'll just leave that there. You guys can go check that out for yourself. Without further ado, let's get straight into the Shib chart. Now, I think the last time we spoke about Shib, we actually spoke about the idea of another wave up, okay? And this is the October highs that we were talking about previously. From there, we have just been on as I said, a pretty disgusting descent here over the last sort of 7-8 days. And to have a doji star at the bottom of that does create that uncertainty of the direction. And obviously that direction was pretty strong to the downside there. So that obviously creates the uncertainty, creating that bit of bullish momentum here. And that's why we are seeing what we are seeing right now. Now, in terms of actual very strong areas to be looking out for there, you can see that I've drawn in a horizontal at this 1599 level. You can see we've got multiple levels of support along this, 1, 2, 3, 4, near enough 5 there in the most recent wave down, which does pose the question here: if we test this area again, is it going to hold? Because we have tested this level of support multiple times. Yes, we've got momentum off it, but it's not been enough to break the initial push at the start. Okay, that does show that momentum is basically not getting stronger here. It's actually just continuously testing this area, and when you test an area multiple times, it increases the chance you're going to break it. Okay, so if we do see the elections swinging Kamala's way, then it's very likely that we do see swings to the downside, touching very, very, very strong trend lines. Okay, and these trend lines will be pulled back from the June lows of 2023. As you can see, we have got very, very strong levels of support along this area and have been doing that previously, right? Now, if that is going to come into fruition there and this dump is going to be aggressive here for the election, then we could really be looking at probably 20, maybe 30% here to the downside. If that is going to happen, then there's just a God mode long position if you want to get involved with that there. You can see it will line up with trend lines from not all-time highs, but highs of this current run, okay, back in March. And if we do go down to the sort of trend line for a retest, then this is like the perfect sort of long scenario to bounce up for probably like 10 or 20, maybe even 30% there, if you are going to be holding this for a longer time there. Yeah, so that's what I would say about Shib. Just be careful, guys. The dump is probably going to happen. It's probably going to be very, very violent, especially for altcoins, because Bitcoin dominance is very, very high indeed. So just make sure you're not over leveraged and you're protecting yourself there and diversifying your portfolio. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Remember, Pepe Unchained, links in the description. Go check it out. Project you don't want to miss here, guys. A lot of meat on the bone there. Go have a little look at that. All the links are in the description. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. That's going to be it from me. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.